All set now, ready to race. Gates open, they're up and racing. Balik, balik. As expected, Rose Poirier lead by about 2 lengths. Then racing in second, Shamo Pamilya moving a party outside. Ice Storm Security Check running in between runners. Then by the rail is Golden Class. Next in line, Salinas and Admiral Contender is running at the tail of the field as they rounded the last 600. Balik, balik. By about 7 lengths now, Shamo Pamilya remains in second. Ice Storm Security Check, Golden Class Salinas, and Admiral Contender still in behind them as they turn for home. Balik! By about 7 lengths. Moving up to take second is Golden Class Shamo Pamilya Salinas. And with 100 to go, Jonathan Hernandez, third win for a night on Balik, Balik. Second Golden Class, Shamo Pamilya, Security Check, Salinas, Admiral Contender, and Ice Storm.